how to track a Nike shipment from your order space. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are providing you with a step-by-step tutorial to go ahead and view it. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can directly go to the Nike website. We can open up our browser or basically even look out for your application if you want you to use the app and log into your account if you're not logged in. Once you are logged in, you can look out for your profile icon in the top right corner of your screen to access of your profile or name at the top and select the orders or the order history from the menu that pops up. So go ahead and look out for orders and click on it, and that should let you do another page. And for there you will be seeing a list of all of your recent purchases. So go ahead and view it. Now, from the section from the list of your recent Nike purchases, you can basically find the order that you want to check. So go ahead and look out for that product. And you can look out for view order or the order number. And inside the order details, you will be finding an option of track shipment. And once you have checked out and everything, you'll be finding an option to track the shipment, where you will be seeing the shipping center, carrier, tracking number, the delivery status, the estimated delivery date, and you may also be redirected to the shipping carrier tracking page for real-time updates. So you can just go over and view it up. And Nike also sends a shipping confirmation email with the same tracking link once your order ships, and you can just go over and view it. And that way you should be able to go ahead and track a Nike shipment from your order space. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.